Is that RiderCamTV?
Chin chin.
Chin chin, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you as well. Welcome to another RiderCamTV video. Fresh from 2022.
It is.
It is.
It is.
We didn't do very many videos in December, so apologies about that, but it was hectic. My job was hectic, yours was hectic. Christmas then came
Hectic?
above us.
I'm retired, mate.
You're still hectic. You work more now than you did when you were
Working.
So we thought we'd talk to you a little bit about our not new direction, but what's happening in 2022.
I'm going in a new direction.
Well, I would hope so, because the bike needs to go somewhere.
Yeah. We've got all sorts on.
Yeah, firstly, we've got a brand new website, so check it out, ridercamtv.com. It's a brand new website, brand new information about both of us.
Can I just say I've had nothing to do with that because, Toby does all that. I'm the face of the channel.
Bit about our adventures, bit about our channel on there. All our videos come up there, so you can get to them and get to our channel on YouTube anyway. But we've also launched a new merch store, haven't we? Oh, you're wearing some really nice t-shirts. So we've got t-shirts, we've got cups, some with just the logo on, and some with our pictures on it.
So that's a bit frightening, actually.
I think that's
holy moly! Look at
they come
that.
out really well, though, haven't they?
Yeah,
and
amazing.
Hoodies. We've got a hoodie with red arms and stuff, which goes with our colour scheme as well.
What
there's
kind of red arms?
children's
What,
stuff.
like this?
Yeah, like that. But it's red with blue, I think it is. I can't remember what colours there.
Hat.
Yeah, we've got two sorts of hats. That one and a different
one that goes on your head and one that you carry or something. A big
two different
top hat.
styles.
Big
Mark.
top hat.
Oh my god, that'd be funny, wouldn't it?
And a bowler.
Different stickers. So we've got the stickers like you've seen us or seen on the website before.
Yeah.
But we've got stickers with our faces on as well.
Have we?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What else have we got? Little bandanas.
We have the underwear range is coming soon.
yeah. I dread to think what that would look like. We've got little bags and all sorts on there, cups, and
more cups.
Yeah, when we were going through all the merchandise that you can have, we go out riding for hours.
The dog is playing with a toy there, so if you can hear a squelching noise, she's actually eating a toy, but she's quiet.
But we go riding for hours, and sometimes, even if you're just riding out with mates, you want a cup of coffee and you want to stop somewhere. So there's heated mugs.
Heated mugs?
like not heated, but like thermal...
insulated mugs, that's the word I'm
mugs and
looking for.
cups.
So you can take your own cup to Costa.
Yeah. So a whole host of stuff.
Brilliant.
So I think we've even got like coasters. How cool is that?
So you can really slam your cup down.
I don't know whether anybody actually wants any of this stuff, but it was fun putting it together.
There you are.
Yeah. So
it took me ages to make these on a potter's wheel.
Yeah, with a little pen.
Yeah.
But you can get them on ridercamtv.com/merch, or underneath the video on the shelf, they call it. There's loads of items that will take you straight through to the shop. How cool is that?
That's very cool. Very cool.
Coffee break time.
Who'd have thought? Coffee.
And I tell you what, this is such a lovely mug to drink out of.
Really? You're starting to sound like the QVC channel here now.
Yeah, well, this is the number. And it's not £40, it's not £30. Ding, ding, ding.
And we've sold none of them.
Got low stock warning.
Stock
warning. Yeah, so that's a couple of things that we've got new. But we're also going to have some different bikes to review during the year, aren't we? We're waiting for them to come in. We're not going to tell you what they are, so that it's a bit of a surprise. But it's really difficult. It's been really difficult throughout COVID, isn't it, to get hold of motorbikes to review because of all the different things that have happened. In 1 minute it's okay to do something, one minute it's not.
We've got a supplier who's going to give us, or not give us, but he's going to let us have the whole demonstrator range.
Yeah.
Which is pretty special. It's taken a long time to get it because they were a bit sceptical about it, but they've come through and they said they're going to do it, so that's good.
And that's really exciting. And they're not bikes that you would expect us to review.
Enough. Don't say any more.
So how cool is that? So we've got that. You would have seen...
It's a penny farthing.
Penny farthing.
And a unicycle.
A bit painful.
I cut my ankle on a unicycle once, you know.
He's that old. Back in the days when he was a lad.
Oh, yeah. And it sliced my ankle open. I had to hold it closed. until I got to hospital.
Yeah. Well, we've got partners now. You would have seen that we've got Monimoto, a partner of ours, which is really, really good. So sometimes they'll help us out with content for a channel. They might send us new stuff to review. And there's a really good video coming in the next few weeks, probably February sometime, with one of the top dogs, if that's the right thing to say, from Monimoto. So we can put some questions to him and ask him some things that we've got from all the comments of when we've reviewed the Monimoto trackers, so we can get that right from the horse's mouth. What else we got?
I love getting the message off Monimoto saying, says it comes up every day. Monimoto, Pauline the Watcher is armed and ready. I like that.
Mine's called Derek. It's brilliant. So we've got that. Magellan Motorcycle Tours are a partner of ours, so they'll be helping us along the way in some way, shape or form, which is great.
And we're back out touring. Hopefully.
And we're back out touring. I've got a tour in September. We've got a couple of tours down through France and into Spain, and then round Spain and Portugal. What have you got this year?
I've got, it's called the Alpine Altitude, something like that. But it's Austria and Switzerland.
Nice.
And that's in June, I think. June, beginning of July. And then I've got the Pyrenees. But because they've sold so many places on their tours, people are desperate to get out. They're having to double up on some of the other tours. So there may be opportunities to get on another tour, perhaps.
Yeah, there's a lot going on. I think there's a lot to look forward to in 2022. We said that at the beginning of 2021, but I think this time, things are slowly, they seem to be getting better. They seem to be feeling better, don't they, as to getting out and doing stuff.
I think it's coming to a point where not wishing to get political or non-conspiratorial or anything like that. I think we're just going to end up living with it. And obviously the pandemic is what we're talking about. And, I think decisions are going to be made soon by many, many organisations and countries. So let's wait and see. And
you would have seen a couple of videos with our friend Tamsin from Tamsin Cooper, from her YouTube channel Tamsin Cooper. It's really strange using somebody's name, Tamsin Cooper. So hopefully in this year there'll be some more videos with her as well, because we really enjoyed that.
Yeah,
it's really good fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, because I've now learnt a lot about a chain.
Yeah. Well, I've learned everything I now know about the chain from that session. So that's really good. And sometime in the year we might even be getting close to having our own little studio. So some people have said, can we do like live sessions, Q&As and stuff? So we might try and see how we
live
get on
streaming?
during the year. Yeah.
Wow.
So people can ask us questions and we can chat to you and do sort of things. So.
And we're also toying with the idea, because not last year, the year before, we had a guy called Buff Rider, came down on holiday and got in touch and he said, can you show us around Cornwall? So I took him out for a day, showed him some amazing roads. And so we're sort of half chatting away about doing a ride of some sort, a ride out or something like that.
RiderCamTV ride out.
Yeah.
Weekend.
Yeah.
Camping, booze.
Camping?
Lovely car, lovely roads.
Camping?
No, but that's just giving them like you said, the fishing hook.
Oh, right, okay.
You never know, there might be something coming.
We can put you in touch with some good campsites, not far from the hotel I'm in.
No, but we've got some really, really good friends in different places that own different businesses that would help support us. So it might come into fruition this year.
Well,
let us know in the comments if you'd be interested.
I know a house that's sleeps 8 people and is motorbike friendly.
Oh, well, you can drive your bike in the car?
Yeah.
In the house?
Yeah. No.
Wow.
No.
But it'd be interesting to see, put comments down below, if that's the sort of thing you'd like to do, if you'd like to come and meet us. It's not about meeting us, but we can show you around various parts of Cornwall, perhaps put on some entertainment and stuff. I'm not going to be stood on stage dressed up as a drag queen, or dancing funny, or stripping off, or even singing, because I can't do any of that. But let us know. Let us know if, a get-together for people that subscribe to us that can come and stay for a couple of days. Have a bit of fun, entertainment, then go out and see what Cornwall's all about, because Cornwall's got some spectacular roads.
It's amazing. In actual fact, going back to September 2021, I led a ride out for the local Rosper group. Took 16 riders.
Only 4 came back. No, I'm joking.
It was just before into the Pyrenees, actually, and I went on roads and there were a lot of guys, Cornish guys that were on the ride, had never been on the roads we went on. And there was one of them had a 28% descent and ascent. It was brilliant. But anyway, how exciting is that?
Yeah. Well, and I also forgot, we get asked all the time little bits about how tall we are, that sort of stuff, when we talk about jackets and things. So if you look at our website, under About Us, Mark's got a page, I've got a page, little bits about what we wear, how tall we are, that sort of thing, which will answer a lot of the questions when people say how tall are you when you're trialing a bike and stuff. But also we've been asked quite a bit in the comments and by emails what kit we wear, where we get it from, what kit we use to film stuff, all that sort of stuff. And there is a page on our website for Top Kit.
Top Kit.
Yeah. Now we have gone down the route of providing links to it. They are affiliate links, so we earn a bit of a kickback from it, but you don't pay anything extra. It helps to support the channel and move us forward a little bit. But we're not anything about money. It's about fun of making videos and just us two idiots talking about bikes who know nothing about bikes.
There we go.
Well, I know something about bikes, I know how to organise it or adjust a chain now.
Yeah, I do. I was looking at mine today when I washed my bike today.
And thanks to the people in the comments, we both know how to put a torque wrench back in its bracket. You know, it was put back in the way that say, but it's really strange how some people...
We did wind off the spring.
Yeah, it's funny how some people watch a video...
Fixated on something like that.
But see us put things away... But we then edit the video, and after we finish shooting the video, all the things are put away anyway.
They
but
never
it's
ask
really handy
Peter if they wipe the table when they're finished, do they?
Because they just drag another table in and said, here's one that we did earlier.
Anyway, there we go.
So loads and loads of things coming. Get your merch if you want some merch and be the envy of your bike friends. Comments down below as to whether a get together would be something that you guys, girls, might be interested in, and loads of exciting things to come. So stay tuned, keep supporting. Thanks for your support so far. I mean, we're nearly at 20,000 subscribers.
Wow.
And looking back, I don't think I ever thought that we would get past 5. Even 100 was a milestone for me. And it's not about the amount of people. It's just about going away. We were talking the other day that I was sat on a ferry on the way to Spain, 7:30 in the morning, waiting for all the people I was taking on the tour to get up, having a pan of raisin and a coffee, and someone come up to me and said, "Oh, you're from RiderCam." We get it quite a bit now, wherever we go, and it blows me away to think that people even recognise me, let alone want to come up and speak to me.
It's that big top hat you wear, mate. That's what gives you away.
RiderCamTV top hat.
Right then.
But yeah, so loads of product reviews, loads of exciting stuff, loads of stuff on the way.
Good.
So thanks for your support. Keep it going. Tell your friends to subscribe to us, because it's just the right thing to do, isn't it?
Of course it is.
Yeah. And
I keep doing that.
give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video at some point.